morning everyone. Now 24 video on the YouTube. I belong from Chaudhary family. Now we are discussing about the hairstyles. Okay, of the basic course of the beauty parlor. Alright. Okay, so now let's start. Are you ready for it? Okay guys, come on. We are continuing from the last class. Okay, so we studied about the hairstyle in the last class. 3 to 4 kind of hairstyles. Okay, you can see here. Alright, now we are studying the 5th hairstyles. Okay, you can take your hairstyle from the this side. Okay, from the front side, half front side. Okay, side front side. Okay, from the side hairstyle. Okay, you have to take 2 sides. Okay, from the hair. Okay, and you have to take twist. Okay, from this side to this side, then this side to this side, then this side to this side, till continuous from the end. Okay, end of the ear. Okay, and then you have to use here juda. Okay, simple juda you can make here. Okay, and you can leave that hair also, and you can apply here clips. Okay, different kind of clips you can attach here on your hairs. Okay, so it's a called side band hairstyle. Alright, you can see here properly, it's look like a band. Alright, that's why it is called band hairstyle. Alright, now next 6th hairstyle. It's also a similar hairstyle. Okay, you can take hairs from the between of the parts. Okay, and the 2 parts, this side one side and this one side. Okay, you have to take one hair this side, then you have to take one side here. Okay, and then again you have to take here this side, then you have to take here this side. Okay, you have to continuous repeat again and again this process from till half back side of your hairs. Okay, and then again you have to take one side of hair this side, then again you have to take one hair side of hair this side, then you have to take one side of hair this side, then you have to take one side of hair this side. Again continuous you have to repeat this process again till half back side of your hairs. Okay, then you have to combine the both side of hairs. Okay, and you have to apply the here rubber band. Alright, any kind of good qualities of hair band you can apply on the hairs. Okay, then you can leave these hairs. Okay, and you can do any kind of hairstyle if you know. Okay, so you can use any kind of hairstyle also of that hairs. Okay, otherwise you can leave that hairs. Okay, it's a called 2 side twisted hairstyle. Alright, you can see here one side here twisted and one side here twisted. Okay, both sides. That's why it's called 2 side twisted hair style. Alright, it's a complete process of the hairstyle. It's a complete hairstyles. Alright, 5th, 6th hairstyle. Alright, it's a basic course. Okay, it's only for the basic course. Okay, right now next we are learning about the today how we can do the manicure for the basic course. Okay, so manicure simple basic course. Alright, you have to dip your hand. Alright, half hand in the bottle. Okay, and it's a salty bottle. You can use the salt in it. Okay, salt in it, you can use the surf in it. also. Okay, whatever you have to available very easily you can use. Okay, so you have to keep hand in the water till 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, then second, you can see here. Okay, all right, then second process, you have to take your hand, okay, in the second hand, then you can wipe the hands properly. Okay, properly. Okay, you can use towel, and soft towel you have to use, remember it. Okay guys, wipe out hands with the towel. All right, you can see properly. Okay, then third, you have to use cuticle nipple. Okay, you can see here. Okay, cuticle nipper. Okay, for the remove dead skin from the nails. All right, if you have any kind of dead skin, so you can remove it very easily by the help of cuticle nipper. All right, then next, after complete the cuticle nipple process, then you can use cuticle pusher for the nails. Okay, so you can remove the dust from the nails. Okay, very easily. All right, it's look like a pusher. Okay, so you can remove easily. Okay, from the nails dust. Okay, dust from the nails very easily you can remove. All right. Okay, see here, clean the dust by cuticle pusher. Okay. Okay, then next, after completed, you have to use the nail filing. Okay, nail filing you have to use properly. It means you can give the any kind of shape to the nails. Okay, by the help of nail filer. Okay, use the nail filing for shirt to nails. Okay, all right, then next, you have to use the buffering on the nails. Okay, only for the shining your nails. Okay, so use it very properly. You have to rub first. Okay, from the top of the nails. Okay, top of the nails you have to use very properly buffering. You have to rub so much. Okay, how many times we will rub it on the nails, your nail will be shine so much. Okay, so use it very properly. Do nail filing, nail buffering for shine to nail. All right, so guys, it's a half process of the manicure. Okay, you can see it very properly. Okay, one step by step. Okay, you can see properly. Okay, all right, and you have to use step by step properly. Okay guys, you haven't to leave any kind of step for the manicure. Okay, otherwise your nails will be not see very perfectly clean. Okay, and you will not feel like that manicure. Okay, I've done manicure. All right, so we will learn anything more steps in the next class. Okay guys, we hope you understood very perfectly. Okay, hairstyle is also done. Okay, okay guys, if you like this video and you like the hairstyles and manicure, you have understood very perfectly. Okay, so please guys, do comment, subscribe, like this channel. Okay, and share to anything more people. Okay guys, we hope we will meet on the next video very soon. Okay, and I want to clear to you guys, if you want to learn anything more steps, anything more course in the deep, you want to get anything more knowledge about the beauty parlor, okay, for beautician, so you can do comment to me. Okay, so I will try to do give you my best, and I will after complete this basic course, then I will start it the professional course. Okay, so if you are interested, so please say to me. All right, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, लव यू एवरीवन, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.